Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. Oh boy. Go, Amazon time. I'm not sure where this is coming from, but it'll be fully corrected in the description. And once you click on the link, use time 8 to 15 hours after fully charge. Charging time 6 hours under strong light. Oh, that ain't too bad. Waterproof. This would be a nice one to do up the backyard. You know, summertime's still here. Barbecue hangouts. Those are getting good again. You got a lot of them in here. Oh boy. We got a steak or something put on the ground. Kind of like that. And there. Here's the solar. And maybe once in a while, and it all depends on what area you're located at. In case it gets rainy or dirty, you might want to clean them off, wipe it down. Power. All different mode. Here, it's too bright in here. Look at these. Really cool design. Kind of looks like shattered glass. Got some bubbly in it. Let's see if that's the case. Then you want to slide this down. Lock it in. Somehow. There we go. Tilt it. Let's see if it's. Let's see. Aha. Whoa. Alright, I'm going to shut the lights off in about 2 seconds. Alright. There we go. Look at this. And then, like I say, you can switch. That's power. Whoa. Oh yeah, look at that. These are really cool. So many different colors. The switch. There's off. On. That way. And just press the button. That is cool. Normal. Press again. These are nice and bright too. I'm liking the design, how it looks. A whole stack of them right there. I just gotta click the button. And now you can see the lighting better. That looks really sweet. Definitely great for your patio, your outdoor by your swimming pool area, your pool house, wherever you shed, backyard. Right now it's too dark out. I don't even know where to put these outside yet. Figure that out soon. Look at that though. It's pretty bright though. There we go. That one. That's kind of glow. I like the blue. Got the strobe. Whoa. It's like a heartbeat. Dum dum. Here we go. That one doesn't do nothing. That one does that. That is cool. So if you want something different in your backyard, and check these guys out. Link will be down below. YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon.